Today I am going to show you how to make 3D pipe in AutoCAD. So let's begin. We are in 3D modeling, and our view is unsafe, so we need to set the view. Check SW isometric. Okay. At first select line, draw a line. We need to make straight line for this switch on ortho. Take 5-inch. These are line of 5-inch. Select line again. 5-inch. Again 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, again 5, also 5, this one also 5. Okay, up to this one. Now select fillet. From here select radius. Take radius 1 inch, and here select multiple. Select this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, this one, 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 and this one. Okay, now join all the lines. For joining, click on J and enter. Not joined everything. Select again, click on J, enter. Yes, everything is joined. Now select circle, draw a circle here, put the radius 0.5 inch. Now select sweep. From these options select sweep, select the circle, enter. Now select this path. Now check this one. Okay, photorealistic. Yes, these are 3D pipe. Friends, if you think this video is useful, please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my videos. And if you have any question, you can ask that in the comment box. Thank you.